Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to format numbers as currency in Microsoft Excel. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I have a column here of different numbers and we want to turn this into currency. So let's just say we want to make the entire column into currency. All you have to do is just select the entire column here, right click in its spot within it, and then left click on Format Cells. Once you're underneath Format Cells, you want to left click on the currency option on the left side here. And now you have the ability, if you want to show a dollar sign, you can. If not, just select none. And if you want to go to however many decimal places, most people want to set it to 2. And however you want to display negative numbers. So if you want just to show a little minus sign or in parentheses, whichever you prefer. So let's say we want to show the symbol, which you don't have to, but let's say you do. And you want negative numbers to appear in parentheses, you just would select that. 2 decimal places, it will be rounded to, and then left click on OK. And there you go, guys. It basically was a pretty straightforward tutorial, I hope, for most of you. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.